Question 431. What techniques do you use to promote knowledge sharing among team members? To promote knowledge sharing, I implement regular lunch and learn sessions where team members present on topics of expertise. I also establish a shared repository for resources, ensuring easy access to documentation and learnings. Encouraging peer code reviews fosters collaborative learning, as does creating cross-functional teams for projects. I advocate for recognizing contributions to knowledge sharing, reinforcing its value within our culture. By creating diverse opportunities for team members to share insights, we enhance collective intelligence and continuous learning. Question 432. How do you handle situations where a project is falling behind schedule due to unforeseen technical challenges? When a project falls behind schedule, I first assess the root causes of the delay through a collaborative team discussion. I facilitate a brainstorming session to identify potential solutions, encouraging a problem-solving mindset. We may need to reprioritize tasks, allocate additional resources, or adjust timelines. Transparent communication with stakeholders is crucial. I provide updates and manage expectations while presenting our plan to get back on track. Post-resolution, I lead a retrospective to capture lessons learned and improve future planning. Question 433. How do you ensure effective communication among team members in a collective work environment, especially across different locations and time zones? Effective communication in a distributed setup involves establishing clear channels, such as Slack or Microsoft Teams, for real-time collaboration. Implementing regular stand-ups and using video conferencing tools fosters connection. I also encourage utilizing project management software like Trello or Asana to maintain transparency on tasks and priorities. Adapting meeting times to accommodate team members in varying time zones is crucial. Additionally, setting guidelines for asynchronous communication helps team members share updates without needing simultaneous presence, ensuring everyone remains informed and engaged. Question 434. What strategies do you employ to facilitate conflict resolution among team members during collaborative projects? To resolve conflicts, I first promote an open dialogue where team members can express their viewpoints. Utilizing structured conflict resolution techniques, such as the interest-based relational approach, helps identify underlying interests instead of positions. I encourage active listening and empathy, guiding parties to understand each other's perspectives. If necessary, I mediate discussions to ensure a constructive environment. Establishing ground rules for respectful communication and conflict management fosters a culture where differences are seen as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles, ultimately enhancing team cohesion. Question 435. Describe a situation where you had to adapt your facilitation style to meet the needs of a diverse team. In one instance, I worked with a multicultural team with varying communication styles and work ethics. Recognizing these differences, I adapted my facilitation approach by incorporating diverse collaboration tools, such as Miro for visual brainstorming and Jamboard for collaborative ideation. I also rotated meeting formats to include both structured agendas and open discussions, catering to both preference types. Encouraging participation from quieter team members ensured everyone felt valued. By fostering an inclusive environment, I helped the team leverage its cultural diversity, leading to innovative solutions that benefited the project. Question 436. How do you measure the success of collaborative projects? And what metrics do you consider most critical? Success can be measured using various metrics, including team engagement levels, project completion timelines, and the quality of deliverables. I focus on key performance indicators, such as task completion rates, stakeholder satisfaction scores, and the frequency of communication among team members. Additionally, I assess the effectiveness of collaboration tools and processes by gathering feedback through surveys and retrospectives. Continuous improvement is vital. Hence, I analyze patterns in project outcomes and team dynamics to refine facilitation strategies. Ultimately, success is not just about meeting deadlines, but fostering a positive team culture and delivering value. Question 437. Can you explain how you would implement continuous integration, continuous deployment, CCD, in a collective work environment? Implementing CCD in a collaborative setting begins with establishing a version control system, such as Git, to manage code changes effectively. I would set up automated testing frameworks to ensure code quality and integrate tools like Jenkins or CircleCI for seamless deployment pipelines. Educating the team on best practices for writing clean, testable code is crucial. We would schedule regular code reviews to facilitate knowledge sharing and maintain standards. Continuous feedback loops help identify issues early, promoting a culture of accountability and collaboration. By automating repetitive tasks, the team can focus on innovation and problem solving. Question 438. What role does cultural sensitivity play in your approach as a collective work facilitator? Cultural sensitivity is paramount in a collective environment, as it fosters trust and respect among team members from diverse backgrounds. I prioritize creating an inclusive atmosphere by acknowledging and valuing different cultural perspectives and communication styles. This includes being aware of language barriers and encouraging the use of clear, simple language during discussions. I facilitate team-building activities that celebrate cultural diversity and promote understanding. Additionally, recognizing important cultural holidays and events fosters a sense of belonging. By embracing cultural differences, I ensure that all team members feel valued, leading to enhanced collaboration and creativity. Question 439. How do you handle team burnout, especially during intensive project phases? Addressing team burnout requires proactive measures and open communication. I regularly check in with team members to understand their workload and well-being, encouraging a culture of transparency. Implementing flexible work hours allows for better work-life balance. During intense project phases, I advocate for realistic deadlines and break large tasks into manageable chunks to avoid overwhelming the team. I also introduce wellness initiatives, such as short breaks and team-building activities, to recharge morale. Encouraging regular feedback allows for adjustments to workload and processes, ensuring that team members remain motivated and engaged throughout the project lifecycle. Question 440. Describe your approach to facilitating brainstorming sessions effectively. Effective brainstorming sessions start with setting a clear agenda that outlines objectives and desired outcomes. I create a safe space for all ideas, emphasizing that no suggestion is too small or irrelevant. Utilizing techniques like mind mapping or the 6 thinking hats method encourages diverse perspectives. I often employ digital tools like Miro or Google Jamboard for remote participation, enabling visual collaboration. To maintain focus, I guide the discussion, ensuring that it remains productive and on topic while allowing for creative exploration. Finally, I summarize key ideas and assign action items, ensuring that the session leads to tangible outcomes. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.